Hey guys, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. So I apologize for the way I sound. I was in Chicago, despite the fact that my shirt says San Diego. I was in Chicago for 3 days for a business trip, very long days. We flew in last night and I think I got home at around 2 o'clock. I'm like 20 minutes from the airport, but we were late. We were delayed a couple different times. We didn't have a pilot, and then they had to cool down the plane, so that took us, it was probably like an hour after we were supposed to take off. We actually took off, so, and then had to find the car and get the luggage because we had to check our bags because it was a full flight. So anyway, so it was a really, really long 3 days, but we did get a chance to go to the Phillies Cubs game and see them win. We had never been, none of us had ever been to Wrigley, so that was an awesome experience. So that part was worth it. The second day was 10 hours with a 20-minute break to get lunch and then go back up to the 76th floor. So it was a very, very long trip. So I'm excited to be home, but while I was gone, my Kindred Stamps order came and I wanted to share with you guys. Now, I got up at 7 o'clock this morning and I wasn't thinking, like I opened it up and I wanted to do a haul for you guys. So everything's out of the bag already, so I just want to show you real quick. This is the sticker that they send for the bag every month. So this is what it comes in, and then it comes in a purple mailer. And then I got a new button this time, and this is the Kindred plans. Now, I don't know if they have a different one each month or different one each week when you order. I haven't seen anybody, I don't think I've seen anybody post this one, but then I have these other ones that I've gotten from other orders. This is Kindred Audra, and this one is the Kindred Stamps Geeks. So it would be really cool. I haven't gotten a double, and I've seen that people have gotten a bunch of them, so I wonder if they keep track of, if you are like a repeat orderer, if they keep track of what ones they've given to you, because that'd be really cool, because then you could get a new one each time, and they're just a cute little add-on. So anyway, they did a new release today, so I'm placing an order. I'm just trying to decide if I want to do add a couple other things. So there will be another Kindred Stamps order. Just note, there's also a kit each month, and the kit for this month is called Toy Box, and when I was online looking at stuff, it was still available. So if you guys want to get it, it's super cute. Can't wait to get it. I think it ships next week. So anyway, let's get into the stamps that I got, the stamps and stencils that I got this time. So this one is a bit spotted. So cute. Look at the little doggies. And I love the villainess. And then it says, happy birthday time to Paute. And you've been spotted being awesome. Thanks for all you do. FUR. So really cute ones. And this one is perfect for my brother because he used to love building things, and I just thought this one was really cute. This one is building blocks. So many different things. I can't wait to use these as do like a tone-on-tone background and do it. And I also want to do maybe a watercolor because the blocks can be different colors, and I maybe want to do that. I actually did a card using, I don't think I used a Cricut. I think that I just cut out circles and then popped them up and did the kid's name in the building blocks. So I think that would be fun. I wonder if you could do it with this. You might be able to do it with this too. So I'm going to try that out and let you guys know. This one is, my friend Christina and I are always saying that these are who we are, and these are who we want to be when we get older. We want to move to Florida and just retire, and you know. So this one is Stay Golden. It says you're officially 1 year closer to living that golden life. So I'm definitely making her a birthday card with that. Her birthday's next month, so I will 100% be making her a card with that, and then something cute. This one says to my, and then it says Ma. To a pal and a confidant, thank you for being a friend. Shady Pines, greetings from, and you're the, and then there's a slice of pie. So, and then it says Stay Golden. So look at how adorable these are. Their stamps are just so creative. The next one is Tea Friends, and I love how they include little things, so you can do like a full background and then just do little pieces. So even if you use a different stamp set, you can use these little pieces to fill in the gaps if you're creating your own background, because sometimes you won't stamp exactly perfectly, and a stamped background never is perfectly, but there'll be spaces and you're like, oh, there's too much space, but it doesn't you can't fit a large object in there. So these little stamps are like absolutely perfect for it. So there's little like flowers, little roses. This one says, I'm mad about you. You're my cup of tea. Stay curious. And then there's two little cookies that say, eat me. The teacups on there. May all your unbirthdays be happy ones. And then this one says, drink me. Super cute. Then I got two stencils, and this is kind of what I'm going back and forth on because I think it's $75 for it to ship for free. So I've been kind of holding off and getting a couple stencils just to add to the order to make sure it's over $75 because they're fairly inexpensive when you do that, but they have some really, really cute stencils. So this one is the, let's see, Optical Illusion stencil, and they're $6.99. Oh, cool. Look at how cool that would be. I can't wait to use this for a background, especially with these. If you haven't seen the video, these brushes, I got two different sets. I got this set, which is the Yoseng, I think that's what this was. That was the, if you watch the video, it's the second set. This is like the rose gold. This was the bigger set. I think this was 10 brushes in there. And then this is the Durami, I believe that's how you say it. I believe they're Japanese companies, but these are makeup brushes that you can use to do sponging, and it's so awesome. Real quick, let me just show you guys what I did with the two colors of ink that I used in the video to kind of do this. So this is blending that I got just on regular 65-pound weight cardstock, so nothing that really blends easily. And this is dye ink, not Distress ink. So that was awesome, and it really, I don't know if it's picking it up, but in real life it almost looks like it has some texture to it, and there's some light and dark spots, and it's really, I don't know if it's because of the lighting or sometimes you just can't really pick up texture. There you go. There you go, look at that. That's no water, that's nothing, that's just the colors, and they blended really, really easily with these brushes. And I said in the review that I didn't really know if I liked these before, but I like them. They're good. These ones I like better, but these ones, if you're on a budget, these were like $8, I think, and then these were about 15. So, I mean, either one would really work. So, if you want to go over and check that video out, it's a couple back. Anyway, this one is the spotted stencil, which would be perfect with the bit spotted. So I thought this would be so cute with some black ink done on the background, and then if I use my brother, stamp those out, color them, and use my brother scan and cut to cut those images out. This one is one of the ones that I've been waiting for. Like, I could not wait for this one to come back into stock. And when I saw that it was releasing, I think it starts at 8 a.m. West Coast time. So I think they restock, I guess, 9 to 11 here last week or whenever it was when they restocked this one. I was like, I have to get on 11 o'clock. I have to get this stamp set. This was one of the ones I've been waiting for since I found Kindred Stamps about a month and a half, 2 months ago. I think this is like the 5th or 6th order I've placed. But this one, so let me show it to you because now I've been talking about it. The one with the friend. Obsessed with this. The lobster, kitty, the monkey. So if you guys have ever seen the show, and even look at this one, you'll know what that is if you know what the stamp set is. So you'll know. It took me a second because I thought it was something else. I had heard somebody call it something else, and I was like, that's not what it is. But yes, so this one says, celebrate, it's not your fault, so happy you found your lobster, which that's like one of my sister used to say that about one of my best friends. She used to say, like, he's your lobster to me about my best friend. But we've only, like, we're just best friends. Nothing has ever happened. We've been best friends since high school. So that's what she used to tease me about. So this one says, married, engaged, how you doing? The one where you, and then it says get, and then there's old. There's just a bunch of other like squiggle things. So they each character has something that represents them in there. Super, super cute. So this one was a little bit more expensive. This one was $20.99, which it's still a lot of stamps, and I don't think that's a bad price. I really do like the prices on Kindred Stamps. These ones were $6.99, both of the stencils. The majority, a bit spotted. This was $9.99, and the rest of these were all $14.99. So not bad. I think they do have another price point. I want to say they have, I think they have some that are like longer, but just like maybe one or two main images and a couple things that are like $7.99. So there's a good mix. So if you are close to the $75, you can usually find a smaller stamp set that'll get you really close to $75. So you don't have to spend a ton of money, because sometimes I know companies will have stamps nothing under like 15 or 20 bucks, and then you're like, well, to get to that price point, I have to buy a whole nother set, and then I'm spending a lot more than I wanted to. I'm really happy with the way Kindred stamps out. I am going to do a video on them. I started the series Companies That I Love, and I haven't done anything in a while, so I want to start that again, because this one is definitely one that I want to put out there and promote. They are a smaller company, I think, and I don't get paid to do any of that. There's no interaction. Nobody's contacted me and doing anything like that. It's just really companies of things, clothing, stamps, anything that I pretty much can think of that I really, really am excited to order from and am loyal to, and I've found that have good quality items at a good price point for consumers, and that, you know, I think that you guys would enjoy. So this is kind of a long haul for just a little bitty actual haul, but I just wanted to talk to you guys, let you guys know what's been going on. And I will have the toy box kit coming in soon. I'll place the order today, so that should be coming, probably be here next week. I'm working on some projects. I'll be with the girls this weekend, so we're gonna do some stuff. I'm definitely gonna be bringing some of these down to them, and so that they can see that. They'll be so excited. They're waiting for the toy box. I did tell them about that, and I thought it was gonna ship sooner. I didn't realize that it was like a pre-shipment. That's the only thing with the kits. You do have to wait a couple of weeks for them to ship. It does say it on there, and it's just completely my fault. It was no fault of theirs. It's my thing. I just didn't really read it, but just let you guys know that, you know, if you order like the first day of the it's a pre-order, it's not, they don't have them yet. So they're so excited to get that one and to make things with it. But I think that they're gonna enjoy some of these stamp sets, like especially this one, because I think they're gonna love the characters in this. And I do have some other stamp sets that we haven't used, so we're going to be doing some crafts this weekend, so hopefully I'll be able to put some pictures up on Instagram of the stuff that they're doing. And I hope that if I don't do another video before Memorial Day, I hope you guys all have a fantastic Memorial Day, for everyone who is celebrating and remembering and honoring the veterans and those who are currently in service. So thank you all, and thank you everybody who has served. If anybody watches my videos who have served, thank you guys very much. A special shout out to my grandfather and my uncles who have served. We have Army and Navy in the family. My best friend's husband was a Marine, so all branches of service, so thank you all. And hopefully I will see you guys again in a couple of days with another video, working on some projects, and I'll see you soon. Bye!